What's up, guys? Battle Style SPO, also known as Chuck, back again with another Javelin Kraken video. I already had this one open. This is the regular, but we got the green machine, so I'll open that. This is a hobby collection. It's the Hobby Collection 4. So this one actually has a shop tool, which is pretty cool. Alright, so this is a really pretty blue on here. This one is 73, I believe. Yeah, I think it's a 73. It's got 70, I don't think they've made a 74, but 73 has the same taillights, which is different from, come on, focus, different from a 71 or 2. Pretty sick. This one actually has, if you can see it, the badge on the fender says Pierre Cardin, which in the 70s AMC had a deal with a bunch of like kind of like fashion people. They had a Pierre Cardin Javelin. They had Levi's, Gremlins and Hornets. They had Oleg Cassini, Matadors, and then I want to say they had a Gucci Hornet station wagon. Here's the shop tool that it comes with. It's got a press. It's pretty sick. It's also green. This one's like a deeper blue, which is cool. I have a few of these, and they're like the color like swing on them is like super. This one, oh, what's the number on this one? 3473 on this one, and 76 on the greenie. This one's sick. Again, same, just the green base and green wheels on this one. The paint's a little, I think it's a little bit nicer tone on this one. It's got that wing. License plate, muscle car, muscle car garage hobby 4. That's what that says on there. Yeah, those are pretty sick. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Check me out in the next one. Alright, take care, peace.